2 square roots, 2 strange equations, and a surprising path to the solution. At first glance, this system looks intimidating. But with a clever substitution and some elegant algebra, everything falls perfectly into place. Stay with me, the answer is much cleaner than you think. We are asked to solve the following system of equations in the real numbers: square root of x multiplied by x plus 3 times y equals 36, and square root of y multiplied by 3 times x plus y equals 28. To simplify the system, we use variable substitution, so we will set the square root of x is equal to a variable that we'll note as u, and the square root of y is equal to the variable v. With this substitution, the system becomes u multiplied by u square plus 3 times v square equals 36, and v multiplied by 3 times u square plus v square equals 28. We now expand each equation, so we get u cube plus 3 times u times v square equals 36, and we note this as equation number 1. Beside that, we would have 3 times u square times v plus v cube equals 28. We'll note this as equation number 2. Next, we add equation 1 and equation 2 to get u cube plus 3 times u times v square plus 3 times u square times v plus v cube equals 36 plus 28. By rearranging the terms of the left-hand side of this equation, and adding its right-hand side terms, we get u cube plus u square times v plus v cube plus u times v square plus 2 times u square times v plus 2 times u times v square equals 64. By extracting u square as a common factor from the terms u cube and u square times v, and v square as a common factor from the terms v cube and u times v square, and 2 times u times v as a common factor from the terms 2 times u square times v, and 2 times u times v square, our equation becomes u square multiplied by u plus v square multiplied by u plus v plus 2 times u times v multiplied by u plus v equals 64. Now we extract u plus v as a common factor from these terms to get the equation u plus v multiplied by u square plus 2 times u times v plus v square equals 64. Now notice the squared binomial u square plus 2 times u times v plus v squared, which factorizes to u plus v all square. So our equation becomes u plus v multiplied by u plus v all square equals 64. Thus, u plus v all cube equals 64. So we obtained u plus v equals 4, which we will note as equation number 3. Now by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 we get u cube plus 3 times u times v square minus 3 times u square times v minus v cube equals 36 minus 28. By factorizing this expression, we get the equation u minus v all cube equal to 8. Thus, u minus v equals 2, which we will mark as equation number 4. Now by adding equation 3 and 4 we would have u plus v plus u minus v equals 4 plus 2. Therefore, 2 times u equals 6. Which means that u equals 3. Now we substitute this into equation 3 to get 3 plus v equals 4. So v equals 1. Now to recapitulate our work, we have square root of x equals u, and u equals 3. And square root of y equals v, and v equals 1. So we would have square root of x equals 3, therefore x equals 9, on the one hand, and square root of y equals 1, which means that y equals 1, on the other hand. So, the solution to the system is the couple of integers x and y which are respectively equal to 9 and 1. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications bell for more of this content. And until the next one, have a great time.